friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. Coming to the first news is about 5G network services. Few countries like Australia, Canada, China are using 5G network services. Soon, this 5G network service is also going to launch in India. The telecom giant Jio owner Mukesh Ambani had made an announcement that soon India will also have the 5G networks by the first quarter of 2021. As of now, we are using 2G, 3G and 4G network services in India. Once this 5G comes, the network speed will be very fast. Coming into the details of this 5G network, it comes with 1 Gbps bandwidth and 200 to 400 Mbps speed. And now, Jio is also working to bring a new smartphone which supports the 5G even at an affordable price in India. Already, many companies like Vivo, Oppo are trying to bring their next new smartphones which supports the 5G network. Those who are planning to purchase the new phone can go for the purchase of the mobile which supports 5G even. Next news is about Samsung. Samsung is going to launch a new mobile Samsung Galaxy F62 in India very soon. It already started its production in India. It is expected to release in the first quarter of 2021. As of now, the specifications are like this. It is coming with Exynos 9825 SoC, runs on Android 11 with 6 GB RAM and AMOLED display screen. Moving to the next news is about Xiaomi. Xiaomi is going to launch a new TV, QLED 4K TV in India on December 16th. This TV is expected to be the most premium one, which comes with quantum dot layer which improves the color, brightness and the quality of the picture. It is expected that it might be the TV MI TV 5 Pro which was launched in China in 2019. Coming to the specifications of this MI TV 5 Pro are, it comes in 55, 65 and 75 inches with Ultra HD display screens. The expected cost could be around 49,999 and it comes with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage.
News on Google. Google has released new software update for Pixel 3 and above all series of Google phones. This new software update includes December security patch. If you are using Google phones, please check it out for the latest software update. Google also brought new additional features, hold for me, battery saver and screen sharing feature in Google video calls. Next news on Nokia. As you all know, Nokia is working on bringing new laptop to India. We have a dedicated page posted in the Flipkart. However, they have not revealed any specifications, so it means very soon we can expect a Nokia laptop. Next news on Realme. Realme 5 series is getting new security software update for all 5 series along with the November security patch update. If you are using any of Realme 5 series phones, please check it out for the latest software update. Through this update, Realme has fixed unknown issues and also system improvements along with the screenshot improvements. Next news on Oppo. Oppo F17 Pro has been a price cut in India for 8 GB RAM variant. Currently, the Oppo F17 Pro is priced 21,490 rupees for 8 GB 128 GB internal storage variant after price cut of 1,500 rupees. Amazon is running 10% additional discount through SBI credit cards. Flipkart is offering 1,750 instant discount through HDFC credit cards. If you are looking for any particular Oppo F17 Pro, please go ahead and buy by utilizing price cut and also the instant discount through SBI and HDFC cards. Last news on Moto G9 Power. Today in India, Moto has launched Moto G9 Power in India with a 6000 mAh battery and also with a triple camera. Following are the key specifications for Moto G9 Power. It comes with a 6.8-inch HD plus IPS display. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. It runs on Android 10 and also comes with a hole punch display design. We have a 4 GB RAM and 128 GB inbuilt storage. And also expandable micro SD card support up to 512 GB through dedicated slot. It comes with a triple camera setup, 64 MP main camera 2MP secondary macro lens and 2MP depth sensor. Front, we have a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with a hole punch display design. It comes with the 6000 mAh battery with a 20 watt fast charging support. Regarding connectivity, it comes with the 4G LTE support, dual band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth version 5, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, and also comes with the 3.5 headphone jack. This phone is also certified by IP52 rated. Comes with all sensors, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, e-compass, gyroscope and proximity sensor. Moto G9 Power priced in India 11,999 rupees. Moto G9 Power available through Flipkart starting from December 15th. Moto G9 Power slightly overpriced. I was expecting around 10k. However, they launched with 12,000. In this price segment, you will get a full HD plus display and this comes only with a HD plus display. If you are a Motorola phone lover, please go ahead and buy this phone. That's all for today tech news. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment and also hit a bell icon to receive all my notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video.